One iron spike helped a continent move as one. Railroads turn distance into schedules, not guesses. Speed is power when it repeats every single day. And repetition begins with one thing, a standard. That standard was America's quiet advantage.
Then America standardized time, and confusion collapsed fast. When time matches, people stop waiting and start moving. Coordination beats strength when systems grow this big. A nation becomes one machine, not scattered towns. Standards don't feel exciting, but they win.
Next came the telegraph, turning miles into seconds. Information moved before people, before goods, before fear. Markets stabilized when news stopped arriving late. Control scales when signals travel with certainty. Fast signals made a big country act.
Then came interchangeable parts, the hidden miracle of scale. Repair becomes instant when every piece matches the mold. That is how factories stop being art and become math. Measurement is power when it becomes a rule.
The assembly line turned time into a weapon. One worker repeats one move, and output explodes. Cost falls when motion never stops. Scale is not size, it is speed without mistakes. Electricity made power available instantly, anywhere, anytime. When energy flows, production stops depending on daylight. Machines multiply human effort, and nations multiply machines. That is how output becomes stable, not seasonal. Stability is what investors buy.
America also won with logistics, not just invention. Moving things cheaply is the same as making them cheaper. Scale appears when delivery becomes boring and reliable. Reliability is a moat because chaos costs money. Standards made the supply chain behave like a machine.
Then war tested the system, and the system held. When production scales under pressure, power becomes real. Standard parts mean replacement is faster than damage. Speed wins when the opponent must wait. That is how America turns scale into influence.
Here is the lesson. Standards create speed, and speed compounds. The US built systems that keep working without heroes. When replacement is easy, growth stops being fragile. That is what turns a country into a superpower. So what standard should America build next? Subscribe for the next chapter.